So today's project is this really large china cabinet. It's for a client of mine who just wants to give it a new look. So the first step was to apply Dixie Belle Boss to stop any bleed through, because the color we are using is Dixie Belle's Oyster. So this is the Boss. You just apply it with a brush all over, and the next step is applying the paint. I allowed the product Boss to dry for an hour before applying the paint. The easiest way to paint the grill work that's attached to the glass frames on the doors is to take a piece of paper and slide it underneath the wood, and that allows me to paint the wooden grills without getting the paint onto the glass. I added the color Duck Egg Blue to the back of the cabinet for a pop of color, as well as inside the interior of the cabinet. Time for the finishing touches. I cleaned the glass of any excess paint. I very lightly distressed the piece just to show off a little bit of detail around its drawer fronts, etc. And my client is thrilled. The whole piece looks completely different. It's quite the transformation, and it looks beautiful in her bedroom.